this is Erica. I'm going to be making another YouTube video, my second video, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make some kinetic slime, and this is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty. I like it. And I also made a green one yesterday, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make it today. And so you're going to start out with just plain slime. I just made this with some glue and Tide. And you're also going to be needing kinetic sand. And so you can get kinetic sand like this much for $1.97 at Walmart. I'm just going to be getting a little bit on my counter. And okay, so you're just going to mix it in. Hold on, cameras. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, there. So you're just going to mix it in. Okay, hold on. Okay, and there's your kinetic slime. It actually changed. It's like gritty. And I'll see you in my next video. So, bye.